Hello guys, welcome to my channel Create Knowledge. This is a continuation video for core Java tutorial for beginners. In my last video, we have discussed about conditional statement are needed in decision making programs. There are three types. One is if-else, another switch case, and another is ternary operator. In my last video, we have discussed about if and else. If condition is true, then it will go to body. If condition is false, then it will be break. Else means break. In this video, I will discuss about switch case default. In switch case, when your condition is true, then it will go to case 1, case 2 and so on. If your condition is false, that means default, break your program. Regarding switch case, you see it has switch, case, break and default. When you have to randomly select from multiple choice, switch case programming is called menu driven program. Switch choice cannot be float and double. That means you cannot use float and double. And it is conditional statement. Here I am using multiple choice. Multiple choice means if I press 1, then it will add. If I press 2, then it will minus. Then if I press 3, then it will do the multiply. If I press 4, then it will do the divide. And if I press 0, then it will be exit. Here you see, here choice number 1 is add, choice number 2 is minus, choice number 3 is multiply, and choice number 4 is divide, and choice number 0 is exit. When you call exit, then it will come. Then you have to write else and you have to write invalid choice. For the case of if and else, when the condition is more than 2, then you have to use else if. When condition is only 1, then you use if and last else. Here I have used else if because here condition is 3 or 4 conditions there. That's why I have used else if. But in the case of switch, you see, you have to write your choice. This is the case 1. You have to write case 1. The case 1 means add. After that it will be break. And you have to write. You have to choose the case 2 is minus and end it will be break, and then you have to choose case 3, it indicate the multiply and then break, and then choose case 4, it will divide and then break, and if you choose choice 0, then that means it will exit and it will go to default invalid choice. You have to write default and invalid choice. This is the use of switch case. Now I am going to open my Eclipse IDE and I am just elaborating this function. Now my Eclipse IDE has opened. Now I am going to create a project. Right click on file, new Java project. I am giving the project name Core Tut 3. Click on finish. Now you see Core Java Tut 3 package is created. Here one file is there, default file is there, module info.java. I have not required this file. I am going to delete it. Right click and delete and then OK. Now here I am going to create a class file in src folder. Here right click here, new class. Here it is asking package. You can give the package name anything. Now I am giving the package name tutorial, and class name I am giving switch demo 1, and I have required the main method public static void main, and then click on finish. Now I see switch demo 1 file is created, class file is created. Now inside main method I will write the program. This line is not required. Here I am going to use scanner class because I have to take input from user. That's why I am going to use scanner class. Scanner SC is equal to new scanner system.in import scanner class, import scanner java.util. My error is removed. Here I will write. We write here system.out.println, press 1 for add, and again I will write press 2 for minus, press 2 minus, and press 3 for multiply, and press 4 for divide, press 4 for divide, and press 0 for exit. Right here, press 0 for exit, and I will write enter the choice. Here write enter choice. I am going to use /n for making the sequence. Now I am going to write here, I have to declare the variable. I write here int choice is equal to sc.next int. Here I will use three variable, int a, int b, int c. Int a, b, c. Here I am doing addition, multiplication, subtraction and divide. That's why I am using three variable. First, if I add, then this is a, this is b, and c is result. C is giving the result. That's why I am using three variable. Now I am going to use switch case, switch choice, and put the curly bracket here. Now here I will put the choice 1, 2, 3, 4. Here I have to use case. This is case 1. As I told you earlier, you see here I have choice case 1 add and then break, case 2 minus and then break, case 3 multiply and then break, case 4 divide and break, case 0 exit and break, and default, that is invalid choice. That's I am going to do it. So here I write first case, I write system.out.print enter a. So I have to pass it as integer. A is equal to sc.next int. Now I am going to write system.out.print enter b. Here you write b is equal to, and here you write c is equal to a plus b, because it is going to addition. That's why I am writing here. I have to pass a message that system.out.print add is equal to c. C means a plus b, and I'll write the break. So case 1 is over, and now you write a break. You write the case 2. Here you write. Now I am going to write here same thing. Just I am going to copy this line, all the three lines, and going to paste here. Now there is a, b. Here I have to write, because I am going to, after addition I have to do the minus. You see here minus, second is minus, second case is minus, so I write here minus. I will put a sign of minus, and in place of add you write minus. Okay, and now put the break. Now I write the case 3. Now just copy this line, Ctrl C, and put it here, Ctrl V. Here you write case 3. Nothing will be changed. You just put a multiply sign here, multiply, and you write here multiply, and then break. And case 4, now see my case 4 is divide. So I am going to copy this line, Ctrl C, and paste here, and you write case number 4. Here you write divide sign and you write divide C and then break, and case number, all 4 cases I have done, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I have to write press 0 to exit. You write here case 0. Here I have to write pass a message system.exit 0. Here exit method will be shut down the JVM. Now I will use default for exit. So now here you see all I have done. Now I have to write default invalid choice and break. Break, here I have to write break, and next line I write default and pass message invalid choice system.out.println invalid choice and use the break. Now I have completed the program. Now I am going to save my program. Save all. Now I am going to run it. I run the project. Right click here. Run as Java application. 1 for add, 2 for minus, 3 for multiply, 4 for divide, 0 for exit. Now I am going to write first one is add. It asking enter A. Enter A, I am giving 79. Enter B is 35 is equal to, if I add it, it will be 114. Now again, if I press enter my choice 2, here asking enter A, suppose 358, and enter B is 125 is equal to 223. That's correct result. Okay. Now I will use option 3. Option 3 is multiply. Option 3. Here I am write 650. I will multiply with 15. You see the result 9750. It is also correct. Now I have to use 4 option divide. Now I am writing here 625 divided by 5, and you see it is 125. So all the 4 options I have checked. Now I am going to check the exit option 0. Run a Java application. Now you write press 0. You see nothing responding. That means your JVM has shut down. If you put the 0, that means method will be shut down the JVM. Now I think you have understood how to use switch case for use the multiple option. How to use switch case for multiple option. In next I am going to do how to check vowel and consonant. In vowel and consonant checking I have used if and else. Now I am going to use switch case. Now I am going to make one more class. Go to tutorial, new, class. I am giving the class name is vowel, and choice, click on main method, public static void main, and click on finish. So it is created vowel class. Now I will show you how to check vowel and consonant. This line is not required. Here also I use scanner class. I am taking input from user. That's why I write here scanner sc is equal to new scanner system.in. Now I am getting error. I have to import scanner class. Import scanner java.util. Here I am going to write that system.out.print /n enter any alphabet. So my program will check you whether it is vowel or consonant. I am going to use string. Earlier in my first package, here you see string str is equal to sc.name because alphabets are string. Here you see, here I write int, but here I am going to use string because vowel are string. These are not integer type. Now I have to change it, character, string to character. That's why I have to write it. Character choice is equal to string dot character add 0. Now here I am going to write if choice is greater than A, alphabet A, and choice is less than Z, or choice is greater than A and choice is less than cap Z. Small letter 1 character and caps letter is 1 character. Because Java is case sensitive. That's why I write here small a if choice is greater than small a or choice is less than Z and choice is greater than caps A and choice is less than caps Z. And now I am going to use switch case. Here I have to write curly bracket, open and close, and inside it I will write the code. I will use the switch case. Switch choice, and you have to use curly bracket. You write here case A O and U. Similarly, I have to use caps letter also. A E I O U. Okay, then I have to write, then I will pass a message that system.out.print ls vowel or else consonant. After that I have to use break. This is one condition, and here write, here I am going to use default because I have told earlier you break your condition because it is false, that's why now it will break, because defaults indicate the false. Here I am going to pass a message system.out.print consonant and then I will write break. Now you see here I have used if, then I have to use the else. Here I am going to write else. Inside else I will write, here I will write system.out.print not alphabet, not an alphabet. If you write anything else, then it will be not alphabet. Now I am going to save my program, save all, and then right click here, run a Java application, enter alphabet. Now I am going to put alphabet M. So you see it is telling it is consonant. Suppose I am going to write here caps A. You see it is vowel. If I write small e, now you see it is vowel. If I write in place of alphabet, I will put any numeric 9. So you see it is indicating that not an alphabet. So now I think you have understand how to write a program. Choose alphabet and consonant by using switch case. In my previous video, I told you how to write vowel and consonant, how to check the vowel and consonant by using if and else. Now here I am used the switch case. In my next video, I will discuss about the loops, and I will make the program for loops by using for loop, while loop and do while loop. Please wait for my next video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. Thanks a lot for watching my video. Thanks.